In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Insta360 Go Ultra. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is place the camera inside the action pod. We're going to go ahead and turn on the camera by holding the power button on the right hand side. So once the camera is turned on, let's actually go ahead and remove this sticker here. You'll see that it starts to go ahead and load. So what we need to do is that you need to first select your language. So we're going to go ahead and select English. And then it's going to ask you to download the Insta360 app from the App Store. So go ahead and install the app on the App Store. So if we go into our App Store, we're going to go ahead and click on the search button and search for Insta360. And it's going to be this first app here. So click on Get. And we're going to go ahead and double click and then wait until that finishes installing. So we're actually going to go ahead and make sure that our Wi-Fi is turned on just so that it installs faster on a Wi-Fi network. So we're going to give that a couple seconds to go ahead and install. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and open it up. And we're going to go ahead and confirm that you're over 13 years and older. Go ahead and agree to the terms of services as well. And then we're going to go ahead and click on allow. Also allow notifications. Now we're going to skip this section here. It's going to ask for library access. We're going to allow full access. Next, you may need to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So we're going to go ahead and make sure our Bluetooth is turned on, which it is. And then afterwards, we're going to go ahead and click on the camera icon on the bottom middle hand side. So make sure that your Insta360 is turned on. So I just went ahead and return it back on. I'll select English, and then we're going to go ahead and find it. So again, make sure our Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, now that it's turned on, click on the middle icon. And it should automatically find your Insta360 Go Ultra. So we're going to click on connect. And same thing, allow while using the app. Then on your GoPro or Insta360 Go Ultra, click on confirm and it should start to connect to it. Click on join. Afterwards, new firmware is going to be found, so click on start download. So while this is happening, I do recommend that you keep your Insta360 Go Ultra on. So simply just touch the screen so that it actually doesn't go ahead and automatically turn off. So it's going to continue to install new updates. As you can see, there's been a few. Right now it's at 6%, but I'll go ahead and recontinue once this is finished downloading. Okay, so after it's finished uploading, go ahead and return on your Insta360 Ultra. And we're going to go ahead and reconnect to the device. As you can see, now it's reconnecting. Join the Wi-Fi. Afterwards, click on activate. And then we're going to go ahead and click on register now, or we can go ahead and go to the settings and register later. So we're going to exit out of this. So now we could actually go ahead and see a preview of what's actually being shown. So this is essentially a live stream, but that's pretty much it though, as far as how to go ahead and set up your Insta360 Go Ultra. Now, if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.